Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we change by dy over dx. So I will put this one go to the left, s and ds go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Next, we have the formula of this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the power 1 over 2. And this one we have 1 minus y squared. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u du. This one we have 2y dy. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0. And now we have negative 2y dy. So because we don't have negative number 2, so we divide both sides by negative number 2. This one we change by u. Y dy we change by negative u du. This one we have negative number 1. The integration of du, we have negative u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.